how to create a registry in Target. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we are going to provide you with a very nice and simple step-by-step tutorial for that. So let's just dive right into the video. So for that, what we can do is, if you're using a website, we can just go over to the Target registry section directly. So go over and search for Target and type in registry and hit enter, and you will be finding the results. These are the results available. You can just go over and check it out. So for example, this right here. So go ahead and click on it. After that, this opens up the registry and the wish list section. Now here we can create or manage our registry and wish list. You can just go and scroll down, and here we can find a bunch of registry such as baby registry, wedding registry, holiday, birthday, etc. So if you want to create one, for example, a baby registry, we can click on this option. After that, head over to this page and you can read out these things right here. And we can look out for this option called create and start the process. So first of all, we need to provide in our first name and last name. Go ahead and provide it up. And then your partner's name, their last name as well. Just go over and enter it up. After that, you can click on this option called that you would like to invite your partner to collaborate on this registry, which is optional. You can check it out and click on save and continue. After that, you can select this date right here. When is your expected arrival date, etc. You can just go over and check it out. And for example, something like this. So go ahead and type it out. Let's just enter it up like this, and you can select if this is your first baby or not, and you can also reveal your gender if you want and click on save and continue. After that, you just need to go over and enter up this address line where you would like your gifts shipped. You can just go over and enter it up, your phone number, your delivery instructions, zip code, etc. and just go over and click on this option called create registry. So you can also check this option if you want to make your registry private, and click on this option called create registry, and you can fill in your event details and click on this option called create registry, and your registry will be created very easily. You can just go over and follow the process. You can copy the link or share it via your WhatsApp, email, or social media. And also you can edit or delete your registry anytime, but usually this is how you should be able to create it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.